So just now I had to, I actually Googled how to pronounce HEIST. So it is this new show on Netflix. So it's Highest, Money Highest, and basically it's a Spanish word, and it's all this particular series, Money Heist, is all about this certain robbery that is being for 2.4 billion euros or something like that. It's here. It is a gripping tale, no doubt. But I'll be honest, this particular show is the kind of, it's a very, I won't say testosterone kind of show, but for the rest of us who are used to this whole, but since like this whole, um, I mean, I don't know, yeah, with most of the shows on Netflix, or generally the general public, we are used to rom-coms and all. So this is made in a very, like, it, the style of making the film is different. So but I like how when it begins, you have like this voiceover from this from the literally the lead character, the female, she's also part of this bank robbery, so it, it's very like, we are told that she's on the run, and she's speaking to her mom of the phone, and it's, my god, certain emotions are, you would, regardless of, like, most of us, who've never traveled to Spain, or who've never really, had the European friends, but human emotions are human emotions, right? So that is interesting, I found. And it, you see of Spain, you see Spain as it is, unlike in Hindi movies where you have these lead actors dancing and singing. But here it's, these cold February mornings or whatever, that it's a nice show. But uh, uh, in Hindi there was this movie, Kangana Ranaut starrer, called Simran, which was about a gambling addict, losing all her money and then having these debt collectors on her trail. So it starred Kangana Ranaut. It had excellent music and all, but there was a lot of tension in the movie. So the same thing applies here also. This show gives you a lot of tension. So if you enjoy that kind of tension, you can watch the show, and it's called Money Heist, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.